The animals of the deserts. Australia is the driest inhabited continent of the planet. 18% of Australia's landmass is desert, and 70% is arid or semi-arid. But what is lacking in water is not lacking in life. Australia's arid areas support a diverse and surprising population of animals. One of the most unique might be the frill-neck lizard, who is quite a sight running on two hind legs with mouth and frill wide open to scare off predators. Then there is the knob-tailed gecko, who sheds and eats its own skin every few weeks. Not to be outdone, the wedge-tailed eagle is one of the biggest eagles in the world and soars 2,000 meters above the earth. There's the knob-tailed gecko on the right, the frill-neck lizard, and the wedge-tailed eagle.